Hiya, welcome to my channel, welcome back, many thanks for stopping by. I hope that you'll stick around and check out my garden. I did a garden show and tell, I think it was last year. I'll link the video below in the description, but this is basically an update of it. As you can see, all my tomato trees, they're blooming amazingly. I had some red ones that I took off this morning, and they're in the kitchen now. And yeah, those will be it in no time. But yeah, it's just an update of what's been going on in the garden. It's I think it's between 30 and 33 today in London, UK. Absolutely amazing, love it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 enormous tomato trees, and every so often I have to prop them up with the sticks. As you can see, these big bamboo sticks, they're really handy. And yeah, they're very manageable. I will be doing some more propping up today. As you can see down here, that one's fallen down slightly, but it's got a bunch of tomatoes on it there. So I'm going to have to prop that up. So I don't want to lose any of those tomatoes. But anyway, yeah, this is just an update of the garden. And I found this peppermint plant. I found this and I repotted it, and this is how it is now. Look at it, it's amazing, absolutely amazing, and it smells so good. My pansies I've had from last year, they were supposed to die, and I was supposed to replant new ones, but these have been going and going and going. I mean, you know, the higher force must have knew that I just wanted some colour in the garden. And yeah, they've been going from last year. I didn't have to buy any more and replant. And this one's the same as well. And remember I said I had some old tyres in the garden that I painted and planted them in. These ones are new. I can't remember what these ones are called. I tried to keep the paperwork for it. Can't see the name, but as you can see, these are new ones that me and my friend planted, Joan. These ones have been budding, but I'm watching these ones, hope that they will start budding at some point. I had them planted in this trough, this metal trough, but I realized that it had no drainage, so I potted them in these pots. These are all empty for now, and I found this. I can't remember what plant this is, but I found it and I decided to pot it, so I'll be keeping an eye on that very much. Yes, I've just got a bit of tidying up to do. These ones I got from B&M, me and my friend Joan, and I paid $5.99 for this. This is the fuchsia mix, and it's perennial, so it should grow every year. It should come back every year. This one seemed to be withering, so I'm not quite sure if it's too much sun, but I'll move it. I think I need to move it into the shade just a little bit. I tend to move around my plants though. I really tend to move them around. So maybe the heat is on it a bit too much. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, so that's my garden. That's my garden. And it's lovely to come out here and sit in the shade. This is my gazebo. I found this umbrella in the house. It's got some chocolate that's dropped on it, so I brought it out here to shower it down, hose it down and leave it to dry and put it back. But yes, this is it. Let me show you my sheds. Okay, so let me cover this so you don't get dizzy. Okay, so this is my shed that I've had for over 15 years, and I'm getting rid of this shed because the top is ruined. The rain gets in. That's why I've had the tarpaulin put on it, and I've bought this new one, this wooden one. This one's a big one. This one's 8x4. That's gonna go over there, over along that wall there. And I have a second shed, like the first one, right here. I'm keeping that one because this one is newer, and because of the bad wind that we had last year, it kind of opened the roof, so the rain was getting in. That's why I've covered it with the tarpaulin again. But once I've unpacked it and put all the stuff that I'm going to keep in the new shed that's going over along that wall, I will then be able to rectify and repair the roof. So I'm definitely keeping that one. So I can't wait to get my new shed up. These ones are 6x4, and the wooden one is 8x4. So I have plenty more room, and I'm still in the process of completely decluttering. You know, it's a lot. It's a lot. So, and some of the things I don't want to get rid of because I think, oh, maybe, you know, I'll need it a couple months down the line or whatever. But I've made up my mind now. I'm just going to get rid of everything. I've made up my mind. So I'll have a lot more space in this shed. once I've taken out exactly what I need. I'm going to give away this one. Somebody said they wanted it, but I don't think they've got the space for it now, and then I've managed to find somebody else who wants it, definitely is interested in it, so they can have that. That'll go to them. I mean, it's a good shed. The roof just needs putting back together, you know, because of the bad wind. Once it's taken down, then to put it back, then you can repair the roof. Then once it's down and putting it back together, you can see that the roof just needs tightening. That's all it needs. Yeah, so that one's going to be gone, and I'm definitely keeping this one because it's a lot more new. I think this one is, let's see, I think this one's about 4 years old. Yeah, about 4 years old. But anyway, thank you for stopping by my garden, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe in order to be notified. Next to the subscription panel, you've got the bell. If you click on that, then you'll be notified of when I upload videos. Are they lovely? Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for joining me again. Take care now. Bye.